In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the microphone is not working on Acer laptop and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So if you're using your Acer laptop and the microphone is not getting detected or it's not working, then these are some of the steps you can try out in order to fix the issue. So the first one is all about you have to go over here in the search, type here for the settings and click on the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is, this might take a little bit of time, just wait. Now from here, we have to go to the privacy and security. Now over here, the first and foremost step is all about, if you scroll down under the app permissions, you can find the microphone, click on this one. So the first and foremost step is all about, over here the microphone access should be turned on, that is very important. And also the let app access your microphone should also be turned on. And also, if you can see, I have already turned it on for all the apps except snipping tool. And for example, if I wanted to turn it on as well, or if you have any specific app which required the microphone access, you have to turn on it as well. So once you're done with this one, this is the first and foremost step you have to check. Next one is all about, you have to go over here in the volume icon over here, and you have to right click and go to, from here you need to navigate to the sound settings. Now from here, the first and foremost step, what you need to do is, as you can see for the output, the speaker is being set. So you have to select the right output device over here. So in my case, the speaker is the right output device, so I have selected this. And also if you scroll it down, you can see for the input, you have to select the right audio device. For me, I have selected the microphone array over here for the input. So if I wanted to make sure, I can select this over here like this. And also make sure that you select the right output device as well as the input device over here. And also you have to click on mode sound setting, that is going to take you to this. Now from here, you need to navigate to the recording, and over here, as you can see, my microphone is being connected over here. So what I need to do is, the first one, if you don't find the microphone here, for example, the microphone here is here, and also right now you can see there is a green icon moving, which means I'm connected to this and I have to right click. Make sure that you enable this, and also you have to click on set it as a default device over here. So right now the microphone is the set default device for me, and this is what I have kept. And also make sure it is enabled. So if it is disabled, you have to enable it. And also over here, you have to right click on the device and go to the properties. Now go to the level first and make sure that you set this to maximum over here, and also click on the advanced over here. And right now we have two different options, that is 2 channel 16-bit 4400 Hz and also 2 channel 16-bit 4800 Hz. You have to set this to the maximum value and go for OK and go for OK. And you have to close this and you have to check. So this is what you have to do. Next one is all about what we need to do. Then we need to do one more thing which I forgot. You have to click over here. Once again, go to the sound setting. I'm sorry for that, I forgot it. Just go over here, click on the mode sound setting. Now over here, you have to go to the recording and go to the default one, right click and go to the properties. Over here in the advanced, make sure that you put a check on allow applications to take exclusive control on device. It should be turned on, and go for OK, and you have to check, and most probably afterwards it will be okay. So these are the steps you need to try, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.